welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my hot pistol. You can also call it hot glue. And if you're new in the house, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells down below. And you're welcome anytime and any day. And if you're old in the house, we love you for all of your support. And of course, the new people are the old people. And let's get started. So here you guys can see some examples what you can do with the hot glue. So you can see here it says how to make it. You need like a can, and then you take some ribbon and then put hot glue on it. And it's best if you ask an adult for help, because it's not good for children to just without help, because that's not good. So I'm just going to be showing you how I'm working this thing. So now I'm going to open it. Whoa. So here goes the hot pistol. So I'm not guessing it, but I know that you put the glue here, and then you literally just press it like on the carton or somewhere else, and then you glue it. Here's the ribbon, and you put it in the wall. But before you use the hot pistol, you always have to leave it for about 2 minutes or 1 minute to heaten up, because you can't just take it from somewhere, imagine it's cold, and then just start using it. So it's always good that you leave it for 2 minutes or 1 minute to get hot. So now I'm just going to be showing you the glue. Wait. Oh, I think I have 6 in here. 4? Whoa! Yeah, look how these look like. Look at that. So now I'm going to show you an example. You're going to put the glue inside, just like that. Well, it's quite long, just like that. And then you put this in the carton, boom, and then you leave it for 2 minutes or 1 minute, let it heat up. But 2 minutes would be the best, and then you start using it. And you can glue this thing on. You can use super glue on wood, paper, metal, leather, textile, cork, glass, and kunststoff. And lots other stuff. So I'm really excited that I got to open my super glue. I'm so happy. I'm a person who loves super glue. I don't know why, but so I hope it helped you guys in case you had trouble with anything, or yeah. And I hope that I got to explain it to you properly. And if you guys want me, I will be showing you some updates what I do with my super glue. And bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that
notification bell. Bye! We love you. Write your comments on the comment section and tell us what you like about this and how you're going to use it. And if you need more explanation, guys, we are going to do another video just for you. We love you. Bye.